I gotta bring my F-22 next time I fly, Steve.
Yeah, what are you doing? I thought last time.
I took the burner controllers out for customers. That's perfect. Because I ran out of stuff, so I had to take it out.
Who do you think's faster?
I don't know. Probably you. It should stop eventually.
You span all day?
Yeah. Ah, we missed the F-35s though. There's F-35s at Moffett right now. For the
landing flap.
For the Niners game. They've already flown.
I remember when the Blue Angels flew over Levi, we couldn't fly Tomcats after two. Because they flew over.
And they went right over my house.
Alright.
I got to see him practice.
Ready?
Yeah.
Coming out! God, this plane's not even relevant anymore.
I still love it. I just gotta bring it out. I have all these other planes I want to fly.
Man, I put lights on your F-22.
That's why I want to come fly it.
I'll let you go first since you've got the...
No, go. I've kind of figured this thing out. Well, just look how long it rolls. Sure.
Timer cleared.
Hey, take it off.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Where are you going? Turn left?
Yep.
Those Kuniak balance mode.
And the burners.
Mine's just balance.
Look how much cleaner yours is. Yours is going past mine. Go ahead. I'll follow you.
Low pass from the left.
Go. Yeah, look how much faster.
Yeah, I'm like flying by you.
Once I pick up speed, it'll be fine. I'm going to dive in on you this time. Tell me when you're ready.
Alright, low pass from the left.
Me too, I've been open the whole time.
I'm going up.
Go. You got more vertical than I do.
Yeah, I think the F-18 doesn't really have good vertical.
No, but it will when I'm done. I'm going to get the platinum and put in there.
No, yeah, I'm going to put that set up on my C-21.
Yeah. Low pass from the left. Turn left.
Sneak in on you.
Look at it, it's passing.
You're going pretty quick.
I haven't let off, that's why. Very nice. Oh, now you pulled away.
I'm not even full power.
Yo.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, we're clear. Come on in. Okay, he's clear.
Alright, I'm going to go from the right and then pull vertical in the center.
Okay, I'll be behind you.
30 seconds.
Low pass from the right. I'm going to go vertical in the center.
I'll do it right behind you.
Oh, show center. Oh my God. Oh, break my neck.
I don't even know where you are.
Yeah, I don't even know where he is.
Where is it? Oh,
I
there.
see him, yeah.
9, 8, 7,
Hey,
6,
What?
what's your power system?
4.
It's the 3674 1900 kV.
One.
FMS fan.
Time
It's the
expired.
leopard motor, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta get me an afterburner first, right?
Mm-hmm. Not yet. You can come in now if you want.
Timer over 18 seconds.
I've got another little under a minute.
Alright. Landing from the left.
I'll escort you down just for the hell of it. There's a plane right there. I don't know whose it is, but there's a plane right there.
Landing.
Go, Nate.
Yeah, I know.
Buttery, buttery.
Parquet.
Parquet.
That was not butter, it was parquet. I cannot believe it's not
I
butter.
can't believe it's not butter.
You know
Okay.
what I'm talking about, huh?
I know what you're talking about. I remember all those videos.
I
Commercials, I
cannot
mean.
believe it's not butter.
Gear down.
Okay, I'm landing from the left.
See if you remember his name.
Landing flat.
You know who that was?
No.
That's the guy with the long blonde hair.
Oh, Fabio, that's right.
Fabio.
Guy with the long
Landing from the right.
Okay, let this poor guy land. We're distracting him with Fabio.
It's all right, I remember Fabio.
Ray, don't get sexually aroused.
Oh, don't worry, I'm not. It's quite the opposite.
I cannot believe he's not a girl.
That F-18 does
Oh, look at that. Carrier landing.
I finally got it right. And somebody videoed, even better. Finally. All right.
Open your eyes now, Ray.
Okay, good. Oh, it's over there. Not that. Oh.
Flat up.
Let's see, a cub and a habu. That's not a good combination.
That's a great combo. Let me taxi back already, young blood. Sheesh.
Oh, that's funny.
All right, now you're clear. Whoa, what is that thing? You need more power. Thank you. It's my first really good landing with it.